Hey guys, I wanted to show you a super short video on how to keep your blades if you're using an automatic sharpener. Most people know this, but just in case you're new to the realm of resharpening, this is a Cook's saw blade sharpener, fully automatic, but it doesn't have an automatic oiler. So what I do is I just take a paint roller with some standard 30 weight oil, and before I set it in the machine, just run around the rim and put a little light coating of oil, which gets burned off, but it provides enough cooling to keep your blades from overheating. So they won't turn, you won't take the temper out of your blades. Get it set in. And there you have it, folks. Walk out here. It's not quite as loud. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. And I'd also, if you got a problem or a question with sharpening, go to Cook's website. They're really knowledgeable, got great videos. Anyway, thanks for watching.